Greetings, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at solving for our triangles. So we're going to come up with an idea. So I have this triangle right here. I'm going to say that this is angle A, this is angle B, and this is angle C. And then the relationship that I have from this triangle is that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, all three of these add together to give me 180 degrees. So that is known as the interior angle sum theorem for triangles. Let's go ahead and try this out with a problem. So let's take a look at an example. So example 1. So I have this triangle right here. So this is 50 degrees, this is 80 degrees, and this is our unknown. So I'm going to start off with writing it out. So I have that 50 plus 80 plus my unknown, I'm going to say that's going to be x, equals 180 degrees. So I'm going to add these two together. 50 plus 80 gives me 130 degrees, plus x equals 180. Subtract 130 from both sides. I get x equals 50 degrees. So this missing angle right here is 50 degrees. And some of you might be like, yeah, that was really easy. Give us a more challenging problem. Okay, let's get into a more challenging problem. What happens if we have variables in there instead of just numbers? So let's take a look at example 2. So I want to find the measure of angle A. So I have this triangle right here. This is going to be my angle A, by the way. So this is x plus 53. This is going to be 75. And this is going to be x plus 68. Little more tricky. Right off the bat, I can't tell you what the x value is to find the measure of angle A. So I'm going to have to use that formula. So I'm going to add the three angles together. So I'm going to start off with angle A and say that x plus 53 plus the next angle I'm going to say is 75 plus the third angle, x plus 68, equals 180 degrees. So now I've written out the triangle sum theorem. So I'm going to add all these two together, or I'm going to add all three angles together. So 53 plus 75 plus 68. So that gives me 196. X plus x is 2x, and this equals 180 degrees. So I'm going to start by subtracting 196 from both sides. 196 minus 196. I get 2x equals negative 16. Divide by 2. I end up with x equals negative 8. So we don't want to find x. We actually want to find the measure of angle A. So I'm going to plug that back in. And we know that the measure of angle A is x plus 53. So that's going to be negative 8 plus 53. And when I add those two together, I get that the measure of angle A equals 45 degrees. Let's take a look at one more example. Again, we want to find the measure of angle A, and this is going to be using the triangle sum theorem. So example 3. So find the measure of angle A. So A is going to be right here. This is actually going to be a right angle up here. This is going to be x plus 37. And then this is going to be x plus 67. So again, looking at this, I can't tell what x is. So I'm going to have to put this into the formula. So sum the three angles up. So x plus 37 plus, as I said, this is 90 degrees, 90, plus x plus 67 equals 180 degrees. So add 37, 90, and 67. That gives you 194 equals 180 degrees. X and x is 2x. So let's solve this equation right here. So to solve this equation, I'm going to subtract 194 from both sides. So minus 194 minus 194. I get 2x equals negative 14. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 gives me x equals negative 7. Again, I'm not solving for x, I'm solving for angle A. So I'm going to plug it back in. Measure of angle A equals x plus 37. Well, we know what x is now. It's negative 7 plus 37. So the measure of angle A equals 30 degrees. So you're going to use the triangle sum theorem to help you answer out the problems for today. So go ahead and write a summary about triangle sum theorem.